Adam here, and today I'm comparing Guardian Protection and Vivint to help you decide which one makes more sense for your home. Before I get into the details, I do want to mention that there's a better overall alternative linked in the first pinned comment and in the description. It's an option I've been recommending more often lately because it balances features, value, and ease of use really well, so it's worth checking out as you watch this comparison. Let's start with Guardian Protection. Guardian is known for taking a more personalized approach to home security. Their systems are professionally installed, and a lot of customers appreciate the one-on-one feel during setup and ongoing support. Guardian tends to focus heavily on customer service and customization, which means you're not just picking a box off a shelf. You're usually working with someone who helps tailor the system to your home, whether that includes smart cameras, video analytics, or mobile app access for remote control. Guardian also appeals to homeowners who want a straightforward, reliable system without feeling overwhelmed by too many advanced features. Vivint, on the other hand, is all about cutting-edge technology and smart home automation. Vivint systems are also professionally installed, but the big difference is how deeply integrated the smart home features are. Vivint's cameras use AI-driven tools like Smart Deter, which can actively respond to motion with lights or sounds. Their equipment is sleek, modern, and designed for people who want their security system to double as a full smart home hub. If you like advanced automation, app-based control, and intelligent camera features, Vivint clearly stands out in that area. When it comes to ease of use, Guardian keeps things simple and approachable. Their app and equipment are designed to be easy to manage day to day, even if you're not especially tech-focused. Vivint's system is still user-friendly, but it offers more depth and customization, which advanced users often enjoy. Both companies provide 24/7 professional monitoring, which is reassuring, and both rely on professional installation to make sure everything is set up correctly from day one. Now, this is usually the point where people ask about overall value. Guardian often feels like a solid middle ground, offering dependable protection and good support with systems that feel tailored rather than mass-produced. Vivint delivers a more premium, tech-forward experience that shines in smart home performance and automation. That said, when I look at the bigger picture, there's another option I consistently see offering a better overall balance. I've linked it in the pinned comment and description because it combines modern features, strong monitoring, and a smoother overall experience for most households. Customer experience is another important difference. Guardian's reputation leans heavily towards strong service and long-term relationships with customers. Vivint's experience is more about the technology itself, with impressive hardware and software doing most of the talking. Neither approach is wrong. It really comes down to whether you value personal service more or advanced automation and AI-driven features. As I wrap this up, Guardian Protection is a great choice if you want a customized, professionally installed system with an emphasis on service and simplicity. Vivint is ideal for homeowners who want top-tier smart home tech and are excited by intelligent cameras and automation. Still, for most people watching, I recommend taking a serious look at the better alternative linked below. It often delivers the best mix of features, usability, and overall value, and you can learn more about it by clicking the link in the pinned comment or description.